Hey guys, Tim from American Powertrain, and one of the questions that we get a lot is, can I have my shifter with my new overdrive transmission come through the factory shifter hole? The quick and easy answer is yes. Now, we're getting ready to install this T56 Magnum and this 66 Chevelle. This factory shifter does not come through the factory Chevelle shifter location hole. Now, there's a few different options for you. Right off the bat, you can take this factory Tremec shifter, you can flip it around and mount it like that. And that'll move it forward about 3-4 inches. There's also a mid plate here that you can mount a shifter that'll be great for if you're running a bench seat or something like that. But if that doesn't solve it for you, we do offer something else. This is the White Lightning shifter made by us here at American Powertrain. Now, it bolts in the factory location in either spot, and we also offer a White Lightning for this mid plate location if you're running a bench seat. Now, on this car, what we're going to do is we're probably just going to have it pop up. But if we wanted it to come through the factory location and run a factory console, we can do that. Now, how do we do that? We have these custom offset links here. And what they do is they lock into place, and they can either lock at a 90-degree angle or like a 45-degree angle. So depending on where you want it, we can lock it into place there. Like this, if you flip it over, then you get the 90-degree location. So both of them offer the 90-degree or 45-degree location. Just different offsets depending on where you want your shifter. So you can see if you're running one of these, then you just mount your actual shifter mount, and then you can have it set up wherever you want it, and basically a 360-degree location. We also offer a smaller offset here, and this is just an offset for a little bit, but you can run it, on a little to the left or a little to the right depending on how you want it. And at the end of the day, what you're going to end up with is this shifter exactly where you want it to. When you're driving down the road, it's super comfortable. It's not off to the side, or if you're running that factory console, it'll be right in the middle, and nobody's going to know that you're running one of these awesome overdrive transmissions. You can retain that factory console. You don't have to cut up your transmission hump trying to fit in a different shifter or anything like that. We can get it right there in the factory location. Inside the instructions with the White Lightning shifter, there's a bunch of different applications listed to show you the different locations. So with this Chevelle, if we were running a factory console, we'd want it flipped around. We'd want to run one of these, this guy here, with it off to the left and the shifter popping up. Now, what that would do is it would allow it to come straight through the factory shifter location to where it would pop up right in the console, and nobody would know the difference that you're actually running one of these aftermarket transmissions. If you have any other questions about this or any of our other applications, give us a call or go on AmericanPowertrain.com, shoot us an email, and we'll be happy to help.